इयत्ता 4थीतली मुलं इंग्रजीचं मायाज ड्रीम हा पाठ वाचत आहे. शंकर उभा राहा. तू आज सुरुवात कर बा.
Maya the milkmaid was carrying a pot of the milk on her head.
बस खाली. सुकन्या.
The milk was fresh and creamy. Maya began to drink.
बस खाली. लक्ष्मी.
There's so much milk in the pot. It's rich and creamy.
बस खाली. अनुष्का.
I made nice thing dahi with this milk.
बस खाली. हां चल. समर्थ.
Then I will stir it and mark butter. I will take the butter to the market.
बस खाली. हां मानसी उभा राहा बाळा.
Many people will come to buy the soft and tasty butter. I will sell it at a good price.
बस खाली बाळा. समृद्धी.
I will get a lot of money. What shall I do with the money?
बस खाली. स्वराली.
They will be much better than Mira's earrings. She is always showing them off. But now Mira just you with.
हां बस खाली बाळा. हां श्रावणी.
The one the milk better than Mary.
बस खाली. प्रज्वला.
She is always so lovely.
हां बस खाली. हां लक्ष्मी वाज बाळा पुढचं.
But now Mira, just you wait. I will wear them and